Good morning and welcome back to Maths class children. Today we are going to start question number 16. All the parts of question number 15 I explained you. I hope you have finished. One of the child of your class asked me how to solve question number 9. I am explaining again. Not explaining, I am telling how I am getting the answer. Already I explained in that previous video. Children, you see Mihir did half of his work on Monday and one quarter work on Tuesday. Suppose children, I am showing here this is one work, okay, and it is divided in four parts, and this one will be half part, that this one and this one. That means this is 1/4 part, this is 1/4 part. 1/4 plus 1/4 will become half. Okay, how it will become half? 1 plus 1, you have seen this. Here this is half they have given. Okay, half of the circle. That means 1/4 plus 1/4 is, because we have divided this circle in four parts, and this is out of 4 one part, this is out of 4 part 1. So 1/4 plus 1/4 becomes half. And this one 1/4. All these are out of 4 one part. That means 1/4 plus 1/4 you are getting half. So half of the work that Mihir has finished on Monday and this on Tuesday. Okay, this was both on Monday and this one on Tuesday. So 3/1/4 is equal to 3/4 part. So how much total work finished on that within 2 days? 3/4 part. Okay, of one work 3/4 part was finished. Okay, how I am getting 1 by half work, you have seen this one. Okay, 1/4 plus 1/4, that means half work. I hope you understood. Ratna of your class asked me this question, so I hope answer is clear. Already I have shown. Now with the help of figure also I have shown to you. Now we are going to start question number 16. Answer the following questions on the basis of table given below. That is tomato, potato, onion, carrot and pumpkin rate given. Price per kg they have given. So first question, what is the price of half kg of tomatoes? Children, this is price of per kg. Okay, so this is given per kg price. So first of all, price of 1 kg tomatoes. Rupees 8. Price of half kg tomatoes. Rupees 8 into half. That means if you are writing below that, that means 8 divided by 2. That is rupees 4 will be the answer. Now, what is the price of 3/4 kilogram of potatoes, children? 3 potatoes, 3/4. First of all, price of potato per kg is 12 rupees. Price of 1 kilogram potatoes, 12 rupees. Then 3/4 kilogram of potatoes, that is rupees 12 into 3 by 4. What will you do first? You can multiply, otherwise 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. I have divided that. Okay, this is another way. 3 threes are 9 rupees. Another way I am showing you, rupees 12 into 3 by 4. 12 threes are 36. You multiply upon 4. That means 36 divided by 4. So you will get answer rupees 9 after dividing. I have shown two ways. Okay. Whatever you understand, you can do by that method. So what is the price of 3/4 carat? You will do same way. What cost more, half kg onion or 1/4 kg carrot? How you will do? First of all, what is the price of onion and carrot? You will find out. Okay, price of onion. I am doing this fourth one. Price of 1 kg onion, that is rupees 10. Rupees 10. Then how much? They ask price of half kg onion, that will be rupees 5. Price of half kg onion, rupees 10 into 1 by 2. Divide by 2, that means rupees 5. Same way, carrot, 1/4 kg carrot. Carrot rate 16 rupees. Price of 1 kg carrot, rupees 16. Then price of 1/4 kg carrot, that means 16 into 1 by 4. That means 16 divided by 4, rupees 4. I hope you understood. Whose price is, they asked, whose price is, what cost more? That means half kg onions will be more. Okay, so you are getting half kg. Answer is price of half kg onion is more. So this is the way you will get the answer. Now question number 5th. What is the price of 3/4 kg of pumpkin? Same way children, you will write the statement. Pumpkin rate rupees 4. Okay, I am just solving. Price of 1 kg pumpkin is rupees 4. 1 kg pumpkin is rupees 4. Then 3 by 4, that means 4 into 3 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 ones are 4. Rupees 3 will be the answer. Simply I have given that calculation, you will do yourself. Fifth one, answer will be rupees 3. What cost less, 3 by 4 kg tomatoes or 1 kg pumpkin? Same way as I have done question number 4th, you will solve this part. So I hope 7th and 8th part. How much less price of half kg pumpkins or 3/4? As I have solved 4th one, same way 7th and 8th sum you will solve children. So you complete this sum, question number 16. Same way, if any doubt comes, you may ask this question. You may ask your doubt, so I will solve for you.